What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Bike Riders. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is on Aprila's Capinot 1200 Rally. It's an walk around and review video. Hope you guys like the video. 2020's Aprila Capinot 1200 Rally. Aprila rolled out the first Capinot in 2001 and they improved the breed every year since. Today Capinot 1200 Rally has an unprecedented array of features for toughness, technology and versatility. The 2020 Capinot 1200 Rally is specially designed to bring the kind of power and comfort necessary for high-speed, long-range touring in the interstate. The easy handling and low cost to operate for daily commuting and the brute strength and ruggedness for off-pavement adventure riding. The heart of the Capinot 1200 Rally is Aprila's race breed 90 degrees 4-stroke double overhead cam 1196cc V-twin with 4 volts per cylinder. The engine delivers 125 bhp at 8000 rpm and 114 Nm of torque at 6800 rpm at the crankshaft. All the power is brought under the control of Aprila's ride-by-wire system with 3 engine maps. In addition, cruise control is included for those long, lonely stretch and stable speed cruising. Of course, all the punch needs to be matched up with the rigged chassis and terrain-eating suspension. In that, even the suspension and brakes are ultra high-tech to do that. The Aprila Dynamic Damping ADD suspension system was developed. The ADD suspension optimizes control and comfort by measuring the energy transmitted from the road surface to the bike and adjusts the hydraulic fork calibration and shock absorber in real time to maximize acceleration force on the frame. To achieve maximum performance at any fork and shock absorber operation frequency, the ADD uses a pattern of MIX comfort oriented that combines the principle of well-known skyhook and acceleration driven damping. ADD utilizes the internal piggyback shock absorber with providing electrically adjustable spring preloaded with 4 predefined settings, indicates by specific icons on the digital instrument panels: riders only, rider with passenger, rider only with panniers, and rider and passenger with panniers. This exclusive Aprila system is patented, as is the automatic preload control modes for the rear spring. Once this option has been selected, the system can detect the bike's load by itself, weight of fuel, rider, passenger, luggage, etc., and automatically adjust preload to optimum value to balance the bike properly. This frees the rider to focus on road, the most vital safety features of all. Aprila is the first motorcycle manufacturer in the world to have introduced active suspension. The Capinot received the most advanced electronic control and rider enhancement system through the Aprila Performance Ride Control System APRC. The system includes traction control and ABS. The 2020's Aprila Capinot specifications: engine 1197cc 90 degrees V-twin double overhead cam 4 volts per cylinder liquid cooled engine. Maximum power is 125 bhp at 8250 rpm. Maximum torque is 114 Nm at 6500 rpm. Transmission 6-speed gearbox, chain drive bike. Fuel system: injection integrated engine management system, injection system with triple map, ride-by-wire total management, sports S, touring T, rain R. Front suspension: sag upside down front fork with fully adjustable compression and rebound damping and spring preloaded with travel 167 mm. Rear suspension: aluminum alloy swing arm, sag hydraulic shock absorber, adjustable rebound and damping. It's an electrically adjustable rear shock. Rear wheel travel 150 mm. Rear front tire 120/70 17 size rear tire, 190/55/17 front brake, double disc ABS, 4 piston Brembo monoblocks, radial calipers, diameter 320 mm, rear brake, single disc ABS, Brembo single piston caliper, diameter 240 mm, wheels, radial tubeless tires, seat height 840 mm, overall height 1205 mm, overall length 2248 mm, overall width 925 mm, wheelbase 1565 mm, fuel tank capacity 24 liters, reserve fuel 5 liters. The cabin knot power and handling must be matched with powerful predictable brakes. The stopping power is managed by dual channel ABS. Front brake is handled by dual 320 mm floating stainless steel disc with an aluminium carrier clamp by 4 piston radial mounted Brembo calipers with steel breeder brake lines. Rear has a 240 mm stainless steel disc clamp by a single piston Brembo caliper with breeder steel brake lines. The chassis meets a steel tubing upper trails connecting to aluminium later plates, forming an extremely rigged lightweight frame that allows the use of power of the engine to maximum advantage of payments on trail. Rear suspension is a double-sided aluminum alloy swing arm with single lateral positioned shock absorber, adjustable in hydraulic rebound damping and spring preloaded with ADD system. Rear wheel travel is 150 mm. Front suspension is completely adjustable shack 43 mm inverted fork with hydraulic and rebound compression damping, electrically controlled by ADD system. Fork travel is up to 170 mm. The semi-active suspension on the new Capinot is more advanced than any other system on the market. The Ducati and BMW systems only adjust compression and rebound on the move, whereas the Aprilia system also changes preload. This isn't for ultimate performance but for comfort and ride quality. The end result is really impressive. For the full spec bikes with semi-active suspension, you need to opt for a travel pack model. For this you get traction control, electronic suspension, ABS, different fuel mapping, panniers and Brembo brakes. The standard model does not comes with a active suspension. The Aprilia comes with a huge 24 liters fuel tank, largest in the segment of adventure bikes. The Capinot is also iPhone compatible with a built-in USB socket and Bluetooth. By downloading an Aprilia Capinot app, you can store the bike's data like wheel speed, RPM, or the amount of traction control intervention, and also watch the information live as the bike has a top yoke bracket to accommodate your iPhone. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those who have already subscribed, hit the bell icon to get notifications of my latest video. Thanks a lot for your support. See you in next video. Take care guys. Thanks for watching.